welcome to TradeSpoon. My name is Vlad Karpel. I'm CEO and founder of TradeSpoon, and today I'd like to go over current market conditions and featured trade of the day. Please take a look at the disclosures. Trading stock and options involve risk and are not suitable for everyone. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in current market conditions. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not registered with FINRA nor CC. I'm showing you what I do in my own account based on my own risk tolerance level for general education and information purposes only. Please consult your financial advisor prior to making any trading decisions. Also, it should not be assumed that the future trade picks will be profitable or will equal past performance. And you can see the relationship between TradeSpoon and Trading Block on the bottom of your screen. Alright, so let's take a look at the current market condition. Looking at the spiders, this is a 10-day prediction using the stock forecast toolbox. This is our product for short-term predictions. You have slightly negative trend predicted for the next 10 days. Today is neutral. We predicted the high to be 301.39, predicted low to be 374. So very low volatility in the market right now. Currently trading slightly below the predicted low. And for the next 10 days, as we are starting the earnings season and financial stocks, banks are announcing their earnings, so we're seeing again flat, somewhere between 300 level. The lows are 295. That's the next level of support. If we break 298, 297, the next level of support is at 95.63, and the upside potentially overshooting to 305 level. Now looking at the seasonal chart, this is the TradeSpoon Scoop model optimized for 50 days prediction. So it runs on Sunday at 6 p.m. and makes 4 independent predictions for the next 20, 30, 40, and 50 days. And this is a strong bearish signal, basically saying market is overbought, potentially can jump to 306 level. That's the overhead resistance, but in the next 50 days, there is 80% chance that the stock market will trade below Sunday's close. So limited room to the upside, potentially tracing back to the 295 level, and 4 to 4 are lower. What drives the market? Earnings season started. We have JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Chase, JP Morgan, Citigroup announcing earnings, Bank of America announcing earnings and ethics tomorrow. This week we have Morgan Stanley, Capital One, and American Express. So all eyes on earnings season and Fed decision at the end of July. So those are the main drivers for the market for the next couple weeks. I would suggest to consider not chasing the market at 300, 306 level, and potentially, if you want to go long, wait for a better entry point around 295 level. Monthly Trader is our service. Every week we're posting 3 bullish, 3 bearish ideas. On July 8th, we posted Adobe. You can see from July 8th, if you enter the position after July 8th, it went from 300 level to 308. So about 2% jump using our monthly trader service. So this is the service where we provide 3 bullish, 3 bearish ideas every week, and holding time averages anywhere from 5 to 20 days. Based on this model, I also trade in a live trading room environment. You can see on June 24th, open up a position spread on HPQ at $2.25, closed it at $2.63 Friday and Monday. So not only do we provide trade ideas, we also trade them in a live trading room environment. One of the trade ideas is our insurance, HIG. So it's a short-term trade. The idea is not to hold it before the earnings. Earnings is in a week, so consider buying this at 57.34 and holding it maybe for a day or two. You do have positive trend for the next 10 days, but this is a short-term trend. Again, I'm using 10-day stock forecast toolbox, using the model that says that HIG will follow the insurance companies, and this is the sector that is outperforming the market right now. I do want to invite you to, on Tuesday, on July 23rd, we're going to talk about chart patterns. You can register. It's a free event, free live Q&A with Scott Beck, our one head coach at TradeSpoon, and also does our continuing education. So please join us. It's a free event live. You can register at tradespoon.com/workshops. And as always, please follow us on social media for all the latest market commentary and news. Thank you.